In my last video, I showed you how to download an all categories listing report, which got bullet points exported out of Amazon, including keyword fields. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get photos exported out of Amazon. It's a really neat thing, very unusual way to do it. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. All right, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to inventory and inventory reports, and you're going to download an all listings report because you're going to grab a list of ASINs. After that report generates, you're then going to go download it and then put it into an Excel file. In that report, you're looking for the ASIN column, and you're going to download or copy and paste all of these ASINs. We're going to end up taking these ASINs over into Keepa. This does require a Keepa account. I'm not aware of any other way to do this, but there probably is one. But if you don't have Keepa, go sign up for a trial or at least download it at least one time for a monthly service. And then in Keepa, you go to data, and we're going to download our ASIN file in, and you're going to download it into the product viewer, and then you're going to paste your ASINs in to this section right here and hit load list, and Keepa does its magic, and you're going to hit export all active columns and hit loading on export, and that will give you a nice, beautiful list of every single image in column G and onward. And you could create a new tab and paste them, and they're all currently together in one cell, and we want to split this out. And so we're going to use the data tab, text to columns, hit delimited, next, and unselect tab, and then unselect. So once you have tab and semicolon selected, you're going to then hit next. That's going to finish, and that will have them into each of their own columns, which is really, really nice because now you can use that. And think about the ability to take this data and now export that into Etsy, into eBay, or another platform like Walmart. It makes it really easy to have all of your images in one Excel file. This is going to save you so much time. You could even import this into your website, and it's and like I showed you in this video, we did it in less than 2 minutes. You can export all of your photos out of Amazon into an Excel file and then import them wherever you need. So hopefully this was helpful. We hope you check us out over at myamazonguy.com. And so hopefully that was helpful. I hope you go check us out at myamazonguy.com. You can get us and hire us for any Walmart, eBay, Etsy, or Amazon needs. We're pros at all of this information and how to manage your catalog. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy.